Hey guys, welcome to TechHD. So in this video I will show you the unboxing of Realme Buds Air Neo. So let's get started. So as you can see, it exactly looks like Apple AirPods. This is the Realme Buds and it comes for rupees 2500. So if you get an Apple AirPod for 2500 rupees, it's a very great deal. So let me take other things out. This is a tip manual. If you want to read, then you can read, but it's not that necessary. So let us see what's inside. So inside you get a micro USB cable for charging, and you get a Realme user manual, which I'll not read now. So let's get started with the Realme Buds. So as you can see, this is exactly the copy of Apple AirPods. Let me take this aside and let me open it and show you what it looks inside. So let me open it. As you can see, this also exactly looks like Apple AirPods. So talking about the connectivity, I have already connected it with my phone. So as soon as I take it out, it automatically gets connected. As you can see, I will open the settings and I will show you. Let me open it. As you can see, it is connected. So as soon as I put it inside and close that box, it automatically gets disconnected. See? So now we will talk about the build quality of the earpiece and about the microphone. So build quality is very good. This is made up of plastic, and both the earpiece have 400 mAh battery, which lasts for about 17 hours in total. So here is the microphone. As you can see, the place where L is written is the microphone. So the microphone quality is very good. And now talking about other things like the touch area sensor. This place is the touch area sensor. It will have gesture control. Like if you double tap, it will play or pause a video. If you triple tap, it will move to next video. If you hold for a long time, it will open your voice assistant. So it applies to both of these earpieces. Now let me put it back into the box and I will talk about it later. So let me do it. So the overall experience was very great. The sound experience was very good. So this was the Realme Bud Air Neo unboxing video. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked, then please hit that like button and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.